This is the Lexus UX, the Japanese luxury carmaker's first ever compact crossover. Hey guys, Andrew here for Next Riff. Yes, you are still on Next Riff. We are just expanding our content to include automotive, and we're going to take a quick look and test drive of the Lexus UX right now. Under the hood of the Lexus UX is the 2-liter naturally aspirated dynamic force engine that produces 169 horsepower and 205 Nm of torque. This is paired to a direct shift CVT with a 10-speed virtual ratio, which allows the car to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 9.2 seconds with a top speed of 190 km per hour. So why is it called a direct shift CVT? Well, there's actually an additional gear set for starting off from a stop, giving the UX better, quicker acceleration from standstill. I've tried flooring the pedal to see how this transmission behaves, and it really does feel like a conventional automatic gearbox without the usual rubber band effect of CVTs. In fact, the UX's direct shift CVT feels very refined with silky smooth acceleration whenever I floor it. There's zero sign of roughness, power delivery feels direct, and the car pulls quite a bit even when I'm doing 80 to 90 km per hour. The UX may not be the fastest luxury crossover in the market now, but the engine and transmission do feel extremely refined. Besides that, I'm quite impressed with the handling of the car too. This crossover is built on Lexus's Global Architecture Compact or GAC platform, which is really a premium version of the Toyota new Global Architecture. This gives the UX a low center of gravity and rigid chassis, which in turn improves the handling of the car. While I wasn't able to throw the UX into hard corners to see how well composed it would be, it does feel agile with direct steering as I make my way across KL's heavy traffic. I especially love how much feel and feedback I get from the steering wheel. Of course, it also helps that this is a rather compact car, so squeezing through tight spaces, usual thing in KL, doesn't feel particularly intimidating. NVH of the UX, on the other hand, is fitting of the crossover's premium positioning. The moment I close the door, the outside world is filtered out, and even at high speeds, the car remains quiet with minimal road noise. Higher roar does get into the cabin a tad, and the engine also makes itself heard in hard acceleration, but it is by no means unpleasant. Given the premium appeal of the UX, you'd expect to be comfortable whenever you step into the cabin. So not surprisingly, this is a given with UX, and I absolutely love the leather upholstery with sashiko quilting, a technique used on Japanese martial arts uniforms. It gives the leather seats a unique feeling texture, and I really can't get enough of it. Other aspects of the UX's cabin are equally good too. Every button has a satisfying tactile feedback, the digital meter is bright and vibrant, and I really like the large 10.3-inch freestanding center display. That being said, I'm not sure I like navigating through the infotainment system with the trackpad right beside the gear lever. A touchscreen would have felt a lot more intuitive. But overall, the Lexus UX feels like a premium, luxurious compact crossover through and through. Personally, I like the aggressive styling of the car, especially the LED taillights that extend across the width of the car in a single line. It gives the car a very contemporary appeal. This, paired with the car's excellent driving experience and compact size, make it the perfect city car. As for pricing, the Lexus UX is available in 3 variants: Urban, Luxury, which was the one I drove, as well as the F-Sport trim. The base Urban goes for around 244,000 ringgit, while the more well-equipped Luxury and S-Sport trims are priced at 284,000 ringgit and 300,000 ringgit respectively. These are definitely steep price tags, but it's par for the course with a luxury crossover like the UX. The Lexus UX is now open for booking in Malaysia. All prices mentioned here are on the road without insurance, and it comes with a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty as well. So that was our quick look and test drive of the Lexus UX. If you'd like a more comprehensive look, our written hands-on can be found in the description link down below on nextriff.com. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Next Riff.